How to transfer a Texas license to Florida. To transfer your Texas driver's license to Florida, you'll need to visit a local Florida tax collector's office or a driver's license service center in person. Bring your valid Texas license, proof of your identity such as a U.S. birth certificate or passport, proof of your social security number like a social security card or W-2 form, and 2 documents showing your Florida address. This can be a lease, utility bill, or bank statement. If your name has changed, bring your marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order to verify it. Once you're at the office, you'll surrender your Texas license, take a quick vision test, and have your picture taken for your new Florida Real ID compliant license. There's a small fee to pay, and most offices issue your new license the same day. You don't need to retake the written or road test as long as your Texas license is valid. Remember, you must update your license within 30 days of becoming a Florida resident, so make sure to complete the process as soon as you move. That's how to transfer a Texas license to Florida.